Ladies and gentlemen, I am gushing with excitement. You want to know why? I'll tell you why. Because draw.io has just celebrated over 80,000 installs in Confluence and Jira. I'm sorry, but that's almost 4 times as our nearest competitor. We're up there. No other app on this marketplace has more installs than draw.io. No other app has more reviews, and we hold a solid 3.8 out of 4 on the Atlassian Marketplace. Let's take a look at how we got there. So we've taken a long journey since 2005. Our founders and head engineers sought out a solution that was different from the diagramming tools that were out at the time. These existing tools were complex and expensive, so instead they wanted to bring an easy way of diagramming to everyone. And I think it's safe to say that they succeeded, because today draw.io is a global product serving millions of users around the globe. So building on this global reach and user base, 2016 marked a very pivotal year of innovation for draw.io. In that year, draw.io was the first to offer full diagram versioning in Confluence with full integrated revision history. We also introduced multi-page diagrams, allowing complex diagrams to be spread over multiple pages. In 2016, we also introduced the Scratchpad, where you could rapidly store your custom shapes, which in turn promotes faster workflows. So if you jump a year later to 2017, you'll see draw.io's introduction of connectors. These allow shapes and their associated connected lines to remain attached while you're editing. That same year, we implemented page anchors, and we also implemented interactive diagrams, enabling real-time control over the appearance of your diagram during presentations. But the story does not end here. Fast forward to 2019, where draw.io becomes the first to offer diagram merge edits within the Confluence server. Our continual pursuit of client satisfaction led us to demonstrate new and unusual use cases, providing customers with inspiration and fresh ideas. We also completely revised our table tool, enhancing the functionality and the user experience. In 2021, we emphasized data governance. We introduced data governance to ensure that all data, even when rendered on a third-party server, remains in the same region as your Atlassian cloud instance. With that, we make sure your data is securely handled, and we've also deleted post-rendering. We also added the whiteboard, which allows the user to switch between the diagram editor and the whiteboard editor at no extra cost. In 2023, we introduced our AI-generated diagrams, smart templates, making it faster and easier than ever to start diagramming. In that same year, we introduced my favorite feature, and we all know what it is. Let's all say it together: dark mode. The following year, in 2024, draw.io becomes the first major app to be released on Forge, which is Atlassian's development platform, revolutionizing how cloud products are offered. And as we have taken this long stroll down memory lane, we have reached today, 2025. We have introduced our zero egress app that runs on Atlassian. This prevents any data from leaving your Confluence instance, essentially functioning as a firewall around your whole app. No other visualization tool in the Atlassian ecosystem can match your expectations when it comes to security, privacy, and data governance. But ultimately, it's our worldwide community of users that drive us to keep going. If you have some sort of feature requests, you can visit our GitHub and share your thoughts. We love feedback from our community, and we love suggestions on how we can make your diagramming experience the best that it can be. And if you haven't tried draw.io yet, what are you waiting for? You can try it now for free for 30 days. Like, comment, and subscribe for more tips. Happy diagramming.